Ya, Benitini nizophelela phi. Nite Pirates, you don't want to talk about the Pirates because there's no point. Guess what? We definitely got our first point. Orlando Pirates won. There I say, Orlando Pirates won. Stellenbosch nil. Easy win for the Pirates. Stellenbosch katingeko. Shibelele. Ah, oh, ah. 2 goals in 2 games. And honestly, Bafethu, the boy is in form now, right now. He's undroppable. Play him, play him, play him. Tito, akahlali penchini. Mufukeng on the 10. Perfect. Van Rooyen on the right, perfect. Apolis on the left, perfect. Don't change ish up, Baba. If you want to change around the midfield, cool. But do not change anything else right now. Go to Sundowns and beat them on Saturday. I dare you, Abdeslam. I dare you, Abdeslam. Yabo, ngibiza ngegama lakho straight. Angisakubiza ngo-Absolom. Because you did the one thing that you were supposed to do. And that's play the right players. I'm happy Makgopa is playing. I'm happy that Mabasa is back. Bill Fitness. Those players that failed you for the past 3 games, them guys, bangabuyi or bahlale benchini. Radio Pane, Mashilwane. Sit down, boys. Shalan pants. Let the big boys do the job. If the big boys fail, you can capitalize. Now, play the big boys. Go and beat the Sundowns on Saturday. Then we move on. Then I will believe in you, Abdeslam. But I told you, Bafethu, the league is the priority. Akumelanga kube i-duck and dive la. The league should be the priority. We are 6 points behind the leaders right now. We can build momentum right now, Bafethu. Build momentum. I'm expecting the boys to do some miracle on Saturday. Abdeslam, I believe in you right now. But if you fuck up, it's back to square one for you. I'm out, guys.